Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you CBSE school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.amitischooldubai.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Amity School Dubai. Hope you all know that Amity School Dubai, they are having many branches in Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Mauritius and India also. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. In this main page, right corner, one of the option contact available. If you click this link contact, you can get one option careers. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the job vacancies for Amity School Dubai, Head of Department English, Mathematics Teacher Primary. These two vacancies are Amity School Dubai available. So minimum requirement bachelor degree in education, major in English, minimum 5 years experience in CBSE curriculum. The same for mathematics teacher also. If you are interested these vacancies, you can send your updated CV with recent photograph to careers@amitydubai.ae. Otherwise, if you wish to send online application, you can use this application. Should your application meet the requirement, they will contact and arrange for an interview. So this is the online application. Just you can fill it the form. First name, last name, telephone number and email address. Tell us the position you are applying for. Which position are you going to apply? You can just enter here. Then you can upload your CV. Then submit your application. Once you are submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email also for your future referral. So this is the way to apply Amity School Dubai. The next one is Amity School Sharjah. The same procedure for this school also. Amity School Sharjah. So the same procedure. So if you get the carriers, here they are offering few vacancies. School counselor, SEN and inclusion. So they are experienced and well qualified candidate to join the team. So candidate must have masters or bachelor in guidance, counseling and clinical psychology. At least 3 to 5 years experience in the similar role, preferably in an educational setting. Excellent English and communication skill. Preference will be given to immediate starter. So they have following vacancies for April 2021 also. Kindergarten supervisor, mathematics teacher, senior school, English teacher, social studies, physics, Islamic art, KG. So these are the vacancies for academic year 2021. The minimum requirement are bachelor degree and B.Ed. Minimum 2 years experience in the CBSE curriculum. If you are interested, you can send your application careers@amitysharjah.ae. You can upload your CV and recent photograph in the form below. The same procedure, just you can fill it this application, then upload your CV, you can submit your job application form. So this is the way to apply Amity Sharjah. The next one is Amity Abu Dhabi. So the same procedure, you can enter in the URL amityabudabi.com. You can get this main page. In this main page, contact right corner available. If you click this link contact, you can get carriers. In this carrier page, they are having few vacancies. That means here all teaching posts are advertised on TES website, which can be accessed by clicking here. If you click this link here, you can get another page of test website. So Amity International School Abu Dhabi, they are offering few vacancies here. So head of design technology, head of art, head of music and teacher of maths, teacher of English, SEN teacher. So these are the vacancies for Amity Abu Dhabi. If you are interested these vacancies, you can apply as per the test job application. So these jobs are deadline are 15th April 2021. So here also they are mentioned here. When the jobs are going to start, when August 2021 they are going to start, or otherwise January 2022. So all the details are available here. If you click this link, head of design technology, you can get it. So salary, highly competitive salary, benchmark against many of the leading school globally. Full time and fixed term. The start is August 2021 or January 2022. The deadline of the application 15th April 2021. So here itself they are mentioned here. What are the successful candidate will indicate. Competitive salary, return flight, health insurance, free child places up to 2 children, spacious and modern innovative teaching and learning environment, ICT provision. So generous professional development training. So these are the things you will get once you have selected. These are things you can get. If you are any enquiries, you can contact scary@amityaabudhabi.ae. Start date for this position August 2021. If you want job description, you can click here, job description. So this is the job description. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. So here they are given qualification and experience also. So make sure please check all the details before applying. This is Amity Abu Dhabi. So if you wish to apply, you can click this link, apply now. If you click this link, you can get one job application form using your login and your ID and password. You can apply. So this is the test application form. Hope you all know that. Already I posted test application updated videos. The first one is basic information. Then supporting documents. Then additional document, teaching information, teacher training, continuing professional development, employment history, education, references. So one time if you have filled this job application, it will be automatically saved in your profile section. If you have any future vacancies, you can use this job application also. So once you have completed this, you can give it to submit your application. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way to apply test job application form. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. Next one is Amity School, Mauritius. I hope you all know that they are having branches in Mauritius also. They are also recruiting candidate. Recruitment of competent faculty and staff is on ongoing process. Application with a detailed resume should be sent to info@mauritius.amity.edu. So if you are Mauritius teaching job vacancies, you can send your CV info@mauritius.amity.edu. Otherwise, if you are interested in Indian Amity job vacancies, you can enter in URL amity.edu. You can get this main page, Amity International School, the branches in Delhi and NCR. So this is the vacancies for in India. Postgraduate in respective subject with B.Ed. So these are the vacancies in India. If you are interested in these vacancies, you can apply as per the instructions. So all the above posts require minimum teaching qualification 3 years in a school of repute. Higher remuneration may be considered for deserving candidate. Only shortlisted candidate will be called for interview. Please apply within 7 days at the following address with a complete CV and recent passport size photograph superscribing on the envelope the branch and post applied for. SR Coordinator Academics. If you are in India, you can submit the job application as per the address. Otherwise, you can send your job application via email aartip@amity.edu. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you have any doubt about these vacancies, you can contact. I will reply to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.